We are cutting towards the anterior side, and that's where the head is. And there's the anus. And then you put a pin in the third segment. And this is the intestine.
We are now pinning the sides down of the worm to get a better view. We have now cut out the whole worm, and we're going to show you the parts of the worm. So the top of the worm is the dorsal, and the bottom of the worm, the underside, is the ventral. This is the posterior side of the worm, and this is the anterior. These white string-like things are the septa, and they're the dividing walls between the segments.
The intestine is the long white strip, and it digests food. The gizzard. The worm gizzard is a muscular organ where the food is forced from the crop, and it basically just spreads up the food. The crop is a thin wall organ, and it is a storage place for the food. The worm intestine is where the food travels to the anus. The esophagus is where food particles pass through by muscular contraction. The seminal vesicles are where the sperm is held. And now we are going to take out the seminal vesicles to see the heart.
Are you letting drive around, or do you have to go straight home? I have to go straight home. Well, I gotta get gas.
There are 5 arches in here, and they're the hearts of the worm, and they pump the blood. This is the mouth, and it's where the soil goes in. This is the anus, and that is where the food comes out. The ventral nerve cord is under everything, and it travels up to the brain.